Going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on 2 review. Today, I did it. I finally did it. So I traded the truck in. The Ram of Doom is going to be no longer. It'll be pretty much gone in the next day or two. And say hello to Chucky, the 2017 Challenger RT Shaker. I finally did it. I've been waiting for a long time. I've been looking for the right one, and we finally found one. And the Shaker was what I was looking for. So in orange, probably my favorite color. You know, Dukes of Hazzard. Yeah. It was 80s child, but well, 70s child. But yeah, no, I grew up watching that show religiously. So I mean, I know that it's not a Charger, but the Chargers are fucking ugly compared to the Challenger, and this was the one that I wanted. So yeah, so let's have a little look around. I can take you guys around it and introduce you to Chucky. So fully loaded leather interior, Napa leather interior with all the goodies. It's 6-speed manual. Fuck yeah, 6-speed manual. Fully loaded, as I said, super nice, heated, cooled seats. Good little place for the dogs back there. Let's see. Oh, let's open that back up really quick. So this thing is equipped with, obviously, the Shaker hood. 5.7 liter V8, same as the Ram of Doom. You know, it's in the car. So Shaker badges everywhere, Shaker on the hood. So this thing is like I said, 2017. It has 14,000 original kilometers on it. I actually just rolled it over to 14. So super low kilometers. It's been really kept up well. Factory cold air intake. It's got the factory exhaust on it. It's a nice loud exhaust. It's got active tuning exhaust on it, so you know, like you put it in sport mode and it sounds better and all that kind of shit. So super nice. I'm extremely happy with it. My auto group did a really good job getting it in for me. I didn't think it was going to happen, but they made it happen. So it was a bit of a fight. There's only one of these available in all of British Columbia. Not sure about the rest of the country, but there was 4 available at the time. One got sold, only one in orange though, but one got sold, and that made it 3 available in British Columbia. So we had to pull the trigger and get the get this one. So yeah, I'm having a blast driving it right now. It's just I haven't done all the paperwork on it yet, so it's got permits on it right now. But all the paperwork's gonna get done today, and then it'll be fully in my name and all that shit. So I think the only thing I'm gonna do to it right out the gate is actually 2 things. Tint all the windows. All the windows are going black. I can't stand non-tinted windows. And the Hemi badge is gonna come off, and we're gonna put the skull and crossbones, which I love on my truck. So we're gonna put the skull and crossbones on it. Got those on order, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, this thing rides on Eagle F1s, so it's got run flat tires and excuse me, all that shit. So extremely happy. So if you guys are wondering what I've been up to, that's what I've been up to. Yeah, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to some more videos featuring Chucky. And remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I'm happy as fuck. And I'm gonna go for a drive. See you guys.